Have you ever accidentally deleted a video or a photo on your phone? Or you could have deleted it thinking it was useless and of no use, but then later you realize you needed that video or photo for some future reference. Then worry no more cause you're on the right video. If it's your first time here or you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell such that you don't miss whenever I release any tech video. So let's go straight to business. So you go to your phone settings and then go to apps and notifications. Then let's go to all apps and we enter in this app info. Now you go to your file manager. As you can see, mine is here, Files by Google. Then you force stop from here. Okay. Then after forcing stop, let's go back home. You go to your Play Store. And in Play Store, you look for this app. It's called Photo Recovery App. You can see there are a lot of options, but I would prefer you use this one here. Be mindful of the logo. I prefer you choose that. Now let's install it. It is now installing. You can see it has now finished to install. So let's go back home. So our app is here. Let's open it. So you click on Get Started. Then allow Photo Recovery App to access photos media. You allow it. Then you can skip this. Now, when you come here, for you to recover either your photo or video, you come to this scan. Tap on this item here. So let me scan. So when you come here, you either scan for images or videos, whatever you're looking for. If you want to retrieve an image you deleted some time back, you come to scan images. But then if you wanted to retrieve a video, you go to scan video. So let's go to scan images. So you can see it's recovering the images. But then you can cancel and see the recovered ones. So you can see the recovered images. So you can either select all and then you restore. You restore from here. Or you can select individual pictures you want to restore. And the same also applies to a video. So that's how you restore a picture or a video that you deleted and you want to recover it in your phone. So thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to hit that subscription button if you haven't. Thanks.